According to the survey and reports, Indian TV is one of the most depressing TV in the world. You are not the same person you were a year ago, a month ago, a week ago. You're constantly changing. Experiences don't stop. That's life. Yellow teeth are stronger. The natural color of a teeth is a light yellow color. IIT Madras scientist extracts clean hydrogen from seawater to run cars and lowers pollution. This kid played on phone regularly, so his mother secretly applied a black eyeshadow on both of his eyes while sleeping. King Fahd International Airport in Saudi Arabia is bigger than the entire city of Mumbai. Standing over 7 feet tall and weighing a massive 2,600 pounds, Big Jake is currently the world's largest horse. A bootstrap paradox is a type of paradox in which an object, person, or piece of information sent back in time results in an infinite loop where the object has no real origin. Mosquitoes prefer people with type O blood. A NASA spacecraft circling Jupiter has captured the planet's colorful electrical outbursts. Men and women see the world differently. This is the Kola Super Deep Borehole, the deepest man-made hole on Earth and the deepest artificial point on Earth. Scientists finally concluded that chicken came first, not the eggs, because the protein which make eggshells is the only produced by hens. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you're insulting yourself. In 1859, 24 rabbits were released in Australia. Within 6 years, the population grew to 2 million. Shaun the Sheep show is not animated. Everything is made of clay and plastic. According to psychologists, if you're awake at night without a reason, then it means that you're awake in someone else's dream. It took over 6 months to extract Harriet Cole's entire nervous system from her body. Just because we do not see any time travelers visiting us does not mean time travel will not be developed in the future. 30 feet underwater, there is no light, so blood appears green. The Golden Temple in India feeds a vegetarian meal to over 50,000 people a day regardless of race, religion and class. Banging your head against a wall for 1 hour burns 150 calories. The most terrifying place on earth is located near Subdigo, USA. It is called a potato chip rock. Micro artist Ramagiri Swarika written Srimad Bhagavad Gita on 4020 grains of rice. Sunil Chhetri of India has done the most international goal after Ronaldo, but unfortunately this star is still unknown to many people. Nearly half of the airline pilots admit to falling asleep during a flight. Once, that asked life why everyone hates me and loves you. Life replied, because I'm a beautiful lie and you're a painful truth. Mark Zuckerberg received his degree after becoming a billionaire. He proved that degree is not important to become successful. Virat Kohli is the only Indian athlete to own a private jet. Thanks for watching.